I just wanted to help the community, and sometimes it's nice to like just make sure the environment's nice and clean.
Wait for me, guys.
There you go.
I just love cleaning up the environment, and I love seeing the world be like greener and a cleaner place, and it just helps so many people.
I got it.
I think it's a great thing the girls want to, get together and come out and help their community out. And I think they really enjoyed, feeling like they can do something for the community and give back.
I think our trash bag might be getting a bit.
It's going great. We're picking up areas that need the most help.
One of the big things we focus on is conservation, especially. We do that a lot when we're out camping. You pick up whatever trash you see. This is a bit more organized way to do it.
You missed one.
Had over 122 different locations where our residents were doing litter cleanup.
So it's mostly full of the fast food bags.
Last year we didn't have as many teams, it was mostly just families, but this year we've had people who work together, people who are in the same community groups, scout troops, and we've been able to let them get back together and volunteer together, and that's been really wonderful. They have done a great job helping keep it litter free.